Okay, today we're looking at the Polaroid foldable stereo headphones. I've had these ever since Tuesday, I think, and today's Friday, so I've been using them for a while. I did put them back in the box, so then we can do an unboxing, but I got it at Big Lots for $10. Let's read this a little bit. These foldable headphones give you an excellent listening experience without the bulk and weight of other on-ear models. Boasting style and substance with a smooth leatherette finish, they deliver high-definition sound that's full and rich. I'm not going to read it all, but the features: smooth and stylish with leatherette finish, single-sided Tangle-proof cable with inline mic. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Lightweight design and compact style. Foldable padded ear cups block out noise. So let's go ahead and open these up. There's the box away. Okay. So first what I see is the little inline mic, and then I can also feel the leather on the side of these cups, and I really do like these headphones. One thing I do want to say is if you're wearing them for a while, they do get slightly uncomfortable, but if you keep moving them on your ear, they don't hurt your ears as bad. They aren't that uncomfortable where I can't wear them at all, but they are still not bad. So I'm going to take out this inline mic here, if I can. There we go. Okay, I'm going to pull out the cord. And looks like it comes with 20 music downloads when you begin a 14-day trial. I don't like those. Let's get these things out of the box. Okay. So, what I can see right now is that my camera isn't going to be pointing towards my head. Let me see something that... Okay. So let me just go ahead and move the camera so then you guys can see my head. For some reason my camera doesn't let me zoom out when... Alright. Hopefully you'll be able to see my head. I'll bring it up just slightly. Alright. So there is left and right indentations in here to tell you which way they go. They are adjustable to how long, I don't know. Just like this on both sides. It does end up going pretty long, but my ears fit it right about here. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. And the first thing I can tell is that they're not amazing at keeping out sound. I can still hear some stuff out in the background, but it is not bad. They come with a standard plug. This, if it'll focus. Come on. Nope, it's not going to focus for me. But it does come with the standard plugs that plug into all normal devices. It is the 3.5 plug. It has 3 plastic pieces, and the third one is for the mic. When you have this plugged into an iPhone or iPod, you can use this to turn on and off your music. It doesn't work amazing, but while you're also on the anywhere, if you press and hold this thing, it acts as the home button, and you can use Siri with it. So that's pretty cool. Taking them off, they have really nice headband. I like the fabric on the back of the actual ear cups. And I like that they indentate the left and right. This is left, this is right on these headphones. I'm going to go ahead and show you the folding feature. They fold up to not amazingly small, but they still fold up pretty small. I wish that these wouldn't poke out like this and just keep it completely round, but that's just my preference. Well, anyway, what I'm going to be doing is for the next, I'm going to say 2 months, if anything goes wrong with these, I'm going to just edit a new video up to this one. So this could be, I think it's 5 minutes now long. As I keep going, I'm just going to keep adding video with whatever goes wrong with it. So I'm really hoping that these will work out for me. They have pretty good sound quality. I'm going to do another video of, I'm just going to put these over the camera and I'll show you, well, not over the camera, I'll put it next to the camera and I'll show you the pretty good sound quality. And I'll also show you the Siri and the on-off music. So let's cut to that. Okay, so I have the headphones plugged into my iPod here. Right now, I want to say something to YouTube and to all of you. I have purchased this song. I have legally bought it, so it will not... I'm hoping that it won't do anything to me. So I'm going to go ahead and put my phone down here. And I'm going to zoom in on it. Alright. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and press this inline mic. It's not amazing, but that's just coming out of it without it on your ears. I'm not going to put these on. I can go ahead, press this again, it shuts it off. I'm going to go ahead and show you the feature where when you press and hold this, Siri comes up. So there's Siri. And then you can press it again and it exits out of Siri. I haven't found where it's useful for the mic because my iPod already has a mic on it. But like I said, it is pretty good. Let me go ahead and turn down the volume here. That's up. I'm gonna find the speaker on this thing and put you, there it is. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just press this for convenience. Okay, so that's where you can use the inline mic to turn on and off stuff with your mobile device.